Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is more of a rambly type video, my Rob Gallagher show. But I do have a record to show off, which is kind of on the floor, but I treated myself to Bob Marley and the Wailers. Now, I'm not a huge, massive reggae fan. I like ska music, I like the specials, but I think and UB40, but this is definitely the best reggae album to get. We have Is This Love? No Woman No Cry, Could You Be Loved, Three Little Birds, Buffalo Soldier, Get Up Stand Up, Stir It Up, One Love / People Get Ready, I Shot the Sheriff but I Didn't Shoot the Deputy, Waiting in Vain, Redemption Song, Satisfied My Soul, Exodus, and Jamming. And we'll try and open it anyway. I don't have my scissors with me, although it shouldn't be too hard to have. Now, I filmed that blooper reel. Well, I didn't film it, but I put it together just a few moments ago, and I realised I say the same thing every time I start a video, and I do it without thinking about it. I go, hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's just, it became my opening for my videos without me realising it. Well, some people, when I do an unboxing, I need to do it on camera instead of doing it. I don't know whether someone actually wants to see me peel the thing off. It does also come with an MP3 download, which is great. I can add that to my collection. I don't usually collect MP3s, but since a lot of these albums have been coming with one, I've been treating myself. Yep. So the record's just black, there's nothing special about it. It's got a nice label, and then there's a sunrise on the other side. So yeah, I mean, that's going to be great to listen to. I love Bob Marley. Actually, my parents, so some of my older records were hand-me-downs from my parents, and they have that exact album from about 30 years ago probably, but it was obviously it's old and it was skipping, so I was due an upgrade on Bob Marley, and I will do later in the year, once I've done a lot of my albums, I'll do a vinyl review on it. It's kind of, because it's a best of album, but I don't have any Bob Marley albums and I probably won't pick up anymore, so that's what I'm going to do for just best of albums. But yeah, I mean, I started reading, which is great, because I got a good friend of mine called Brett got me this for Christmas, and I read through it, and I am going to do more ASMR videos on it. But so after reading through this, I thought I might as well start actually reading books again. Well, I say again, I've never gotten into reading books because my attention span is just nowhere to be seen. And you know, of course it would be the Beatles that got me into reading. But I'm sort of almost halfway through The First Lady by James Patterson, which is a really great book. I didn't pick it off the shelf and read the back and think, this looks interesting. I just, first book that looked cool, because I like the American flag, and is that the White House? No, it's not the White House. The Capitol building on the front. I just thought, oh, sweet, I'll give this a go. And it's been great so far. He's a great author, and he is, I think he's one of the most famous authors at the moment. I'm not sure, I'm not a book person, if you can tell. That's probably the first book I've read in a very long time. Back in my high school, or senior school, for us Brits, probably like year 8, even year 7 maybe, the school would give us a book and ask us to read it. I never did, but that's probably the only time I'd ever actually read something. Oh, pardon me. I try and be civil and polite in these videos, and then because I'm drinking a Pepsi, not sponsor, end up fucking burping. I hope you've been enjoying the video output recently. And I want to, no, I'm not doing this again. I want to give you a shout out in my videos, but I never remember your name, and I'm going to do it this time. Art Collector. A shout out to Art Collector, who comments on my videos and loves Prince. He's just a really nice dude, and it's nice to get support. I watched that Prince video you sent me, and we might as well talk about it. Prince's stage presence is brilliant. He commands the stage and the audience. Like, the only people I would say are up there with Prince is Freddie Mercury and Michael Jackson, and maybe there's probably some others like Kiss are great live. But he just it was amazing to see how energetic and lively Prince is, and that song is brilliant as well. I love Purple, actually. So, I've still got the t-shirt on. Well, it's been washed, don't worry, but I've got the t-shirt on. So thanks for that. And my laptop has decided the CPU fan ramps up for some reason. It's really random, and it seems to always happen when I'm filming. It's annoying, especially when I want to do the ASMR videos. But otherwise, I'm doing quite well. I know early January to mid-January I was honest and I wasn't in a good place back then, but I'm doing great. I got a new tattoo. If I remember, I'll show you at the end of the video. I don't think I showed you. I can't remember. No, probably not, but I will definitely show you. I mean, I could ramble on, but there's not much else to say. Thanks for watching. Thanks to the Art Collector for being awesome, and I'll see you again in another video. Take care, everyone.